Hello, today we are going to learn the C letter plus the cedilha. Cedilha is this signal here. Cedilha is a sinal diacrítico. This is a type of signal. As the same case, we have circunflexo, which is this, til, which is this, and so on. So cedilha is similar to them. When we have C plus cedilha, which is the signal, we have a sound of double S, which is a strong S. Let's see some examples. There are some rules when we are talking about C cedilha or C with cedilha. It can never be the first letter. So there is no word in Portuguese that begins with C plus cedilha. C with cedilha. There's no word. Only with A, O, U. So after the C with cedilha, we will have a vowel, but only A or O or U. It happens in Portuguese in words of Arabic, indigenous, or African origin. So, when a word in Portuguese has a C with cedilha, this word have one of these three origins, or this, or this, or this. Let's see some examples. Promoção, promoção. Sessão, sessão. Narração, narração. This ending here, são, 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 are usually, not always, but usually translated as shun, shun, shun. Eleição, doação, retaliação. Shun, shun, shun. Let's see some more vocabulary. Açafrão, açafrão. Sa, sa. Açaí, açaí, sa, sa. Açougue, açougue, so, so. Açúcar, açúcar, su, su. Caçula, caçula, su, su. Paçoca, paçoca, só, só. Miçanga, miçanga, sa, sa.